So for today's video, we'll be doing a review of my 2012 Infiniti G25. I had this car for like over a year or so, about to be 2 years in 2022. I had bought this car back in May of 2020 at like 19 years old, and I gotta tell you, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I am very satisfied with my purchase that I bought this car at age 19. I only paid like $3,800 for this car. Like, that is, I'm telling you, this is the steal that I bought this car at age 19. Now, Infinitis like this with even high mileage, they probably go up to like $8 grand to $10K if you're interested in purchasing cars like this. So what I had done to it, not really much as you can see here. I still got the factory wheels on here, but I am soon gonna replacing these mirror caps. I'm gonna put like carbon fiber mirrors on here, you know, to give it a good look on it. But as you see here, you know, we got the leather seats right here. I need to do a little cleaning up. Excuse the mess right here. I got these blue lights installed when I got it the next day, or I mean, I got it the second day. So I did this right here, you know, just some basically that's about it. I had bought this at 148,000 miles. As you see here, it got 170,000 miles on it now. About to be 171. And I know it is cold out here. It's 34 degrees. It was just like 60-some degrees yesterday. Now it's like 34 degrees. And Texas weather is like so inconsistent of the weather. Like the next day it wanna rain, then the next it wanna get sunny and stuff. Like, it don't wanna make up their mind. But just a little some. I mean, I'm probably gonna get me a second car so I can get, you know, a fuel efficient car or something, like a Toyota Prius or something. Yeah, that's basically it. Let me go ahead and my chit chat start it up. See how it is. Give you So these are stock exhausts. I haven't, like I said, I haven't did any modifications to this car yet. But let me see. I need to open the trunk. We'll get to the trunk right here. Come on, man. Trunk here. We open the trunk. Let's see here. We do got some space right here. You know, got a little decent space back here. Probably put like, you know, some groceries in there. Put some stuff I can haul in. And oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get these doors fixed. I do have some space in the back. You know, I ain't got no kids, nor well, I have kids anytime soon, but I got some decent space in the back. You know, I can go on a family road trip, take my dad and my mom out. We can go to Shreveport, and that's where I'm born at, in Shreveport, Louisiana. So we can do a little easy road trip right there. And yeah, that's basically it right here. You know, I just need to do like some I just need to do a touch-up paint. That's basically it. If I want to make it look in pristine condition. And like I said, these two mirrors, I'm gonna get them carbon fiber. And yeah, that's basically. saving up for a car for the longest, for like months. That's what made me got this car at age 19, at a young age. And I only bought this car for 3,800, which was a huge deal. Like, they could have charged me 7K for this car. They could have charged me even more than that for this car. But the fact that I got this car at 3,800 and my brother works at the dealership, they must have gave me a good deal. They really gave me a good deal getting this car at 19. But like I said, anything is possible. Whether you buy something big, it don't matter what age you get it at. Anything is possible. You can get a cash car. You can get it don't matter what car you get. Hey, be proud of what you got. You know, life's too short to get things that you want to get. Life is too short. Hey, go for it. If that means the getting a car note or anything, go for it. And if you're at least getting a car note, make sure you have money, set aside and you can put down to, instead of, going month to month and just, keep paying it and paying it over and over. But it's a blessing that I got this car at age 19, just cash at the dealership, and just driving it too. Like, this don't even feel like I don't even have this car this long. It still feels brand new. It don't even feel like it's been almost 2 years since I owned this car. But yeah, that's a blessing. But anyways, I'll catch y'all later. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell for more content. I'm out.